Hello everyone, myself Bhumit from College Dunia. Today I am at Sarda College of Physiotherapy, which is located at Pethapur, Gandhinagar. Today we are having with us Dr. Viral Chitara ma'am. She is HOD at Physiotherapy Department at Sarda College of Physiotherapy. Hello ma'am, welcome to Education Portal College Dunia ma'am.
Hello everyone. Thank you so much for this opportunity.
So ma'am, starting with the questionnaire session, my first question to is, being a HOD of physiotherapy department, what are your roles and responsibility toward the students?
Right. Okay, so as the post itself is head of department, so basically the first utmost role is a bridge between students and faculties. So my priority is like if any faculties are not going through well with the students, if students is having any queries related to the faculty, so that is the main role that I ensures that students and faculty's communication is going well. So my first utmost priority is bonding between faculties and students. Second, I ensures that as it is a physiotherapy department, so the maximum of practicals we require. So I ensures that students get maximum and optimal clinical posting. So we tie up with the different clinicals which have government as well as trust-based and private exposure. So students develop their academic and practical knowledge. Apart from that, I also in institutions, so that there is always upgradations of the labs and library. So whatever is requirement is there, I make sure that all these requirements are fulfilled by me. And yes, apart from that, I individually monitoring the faculty's feedback and I report that to the principal madam, and according to their feedback, the system is going well so that we can create an environment.
Very nicely explained, ma'am. So, ma'am, coming to the next question, how do you tend to establish a healthy relation with the students and fellow faculties?
As previously said, the same thing. I am working as a communicator between the students and staff. Yes, apart from that, if we have that we organizes very often this workshops, seminars, right? So that students can learn apart from their curriculums, and apart from that curricular activities, we also conduct extracurricular activities in which student as well as staff they involve, and their relationship is get stronger, like festivals like Navratri, festival celebrations, sports activities, so that the bonding between students and faculties can be much easier. So students can approach the yet it is fun with professional bonding they can develop.
So, ma'am, on that note, my next question to is, when you came to the college, what was your vision and how are you trying to achieve the same?
Okay, so I have joined this campus in 2015. I would say this is the first day of the college it was. At that time, the infrastructure was not so much developed. It was the first batch. So at that time, my vision was establishment of this department along with the aim was to deliver a quantitative and educational exposure to the patient so that they can come forward with the greatest degrees with knowledge, right? Because physiotherapy itself is a hands-on approach. If they did not get much exposure of patients, they will not deliver the quality. So the first utmost vision was that. And yes, I believe if you work in your dedicated field, you will give your best. There is no push-off thing will be there, right? So your vision will be like pull yourself. And yes, I'm working still now. We can see the growth like a tree. It is like from the very small seed of that tree. Now it is a growing and it will be grow much more. Like we see, like from BPT now the masters has been developed and the number of students we are also increased since this 7 or 8 years of this journey.
Very well said, ma'am. So, ma'am, jumping to the last question, what do you see the department's greatest strength and how it can be enhanced?
Yes, see, strength could be not only the one. There are so many strength factors we can say. First and utmost thing is teamwork of the staff. second the infrastructure, then the education what we provide, and the clinical exposure. So apart from all these things, if these four factors or many factors works together, that will be the greatest strength. Yes, but the infrastructure along with the tie-up of our institution with the clinical, like government hospitals of Gandhinagar Civil we have, apart from the United trust based as a private clinical exposure is also there. So that could be the greatest strength, that students is gaining maximum of practical knowledge so that they can learn from that exposure and they can implement whatever they are gaining, and they can be they after completing the BPT they can deliver their best quality and they can serve the society, because this is the field of serving the patients, right? So that is the greatest strength of our college, we can say.
Very well said, ma'am. So, ma'am, thank you so much for giving such informative information about the department, ma'am. Thank you so much for being a part of Colleges, ma'am.
Thank you
Thank you.